Here is how to change your time zone. Hypothetically, you might travel or move interstate and you've got a different time zone for your appointments, or alternatively, you might be a locum and you're traveling around the world, who knows. So I'm just going to show you how to change your time zone. So up in this top right corner, you've got the cog, and we're going to click on company settings. And then just down here, we're going to have a time zone, and you can obviously change your time zone quickly and easily. And that will mean that as you're adding in different appointments, that will associate based on the time zone that you've set there. And all the times that you see will display in that time zone. So you might be doing teleconferencing and you're moving or in a different state and you wanted to see those in the current time zone. You can simply just change the time zone and all your appointments will show in the relevant time based on where you said you are. All right, hope that helps. Thank you very much.